The bike is just handling this so well. The bike is standing up without me on it. Ooh. Nobody's right, ladies and gents. I'm in my old Halvarssons gear because we are heading to the Adventure Bike Rider Festival. Yeah. You may also notice that I've got these bark busters now. If you're interested in a fitting video of those, let me know. I haven't done one, but there's a few ways you can get around it. So if you are unaware, the Adventure Bike Rider Festival is essentially a weekend of beer. I could be really cringy. Beer, banter and bikes. We've got a few off-road courses we can try. There's a load of speeches and talks by people like Teapot and Ryan F9 and all these people, which would be really cool. I think there's also trade stands and all that kind of stuff. Imagine an MCN show but all off-road, that kind of thing. Oh, we're coming into my exhaust. Probably shouldn't say that. Is that Mark from Leeds? That is Mark from Leeds. On the GS there, the GS with a massive top box with a yellow bag. That's Mark from Leeds. This is pretty cool. You see the bikes going up there. Just knock one of these GS's over as we go through. Mark from Leeds.
Oh, no way. Perfect timing.
I saw you come in. I was like, no fucking way, it's Mark from Leeds. I'm gonna put one of these down. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is insane. This is mad. KTM knob. There's so much choice. I have no idea. This is madness. Let's just go right here. About here. Yeah, that'll do.
My GoPro, we're going to set up now.
I'm going to do 10.
Look how cool this thing looks. I'm stuck. Oh, right, we are going to go and do some off-roading, everyone. As you can see by my jacket, I've already been round once. We went around the beginner loop and we went round the intermediate route. Skip it, bip, 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 bip. That's a proper noise. Off-road mode, off-road ABS, rally mode, off-road suspension. Gonna go down this way, give you a bit of a tour. These pegs are so grippy without the insert in them. So this is one of the main camping areas. We are in the other one, Harley Davidson stand. Wheelie machine, look, oh, Luna's doing a mad wheelie. Yes, Luna. There's so much here. I can't wait to spin up my rear tyre and kick it all at George. More camping area. I'll tell you what, I have to say, the toilets and the showers are really nice. For camping toilets, they're like better than some of the dedicated campsites we've been to, aren't they? No sticker, no entry. Why is it shut? Is that shut? That's really annoying. Okay, it works 9 till 5, everyone. I'll bring you back tomorrow. Bye. Right, ladies and gents. I've got beard hair in my mouth. We are Saturday at the Adventure Bike Rider Festival. We've been here since yesterday. And we're going off-road again. As you can probably tell by the state of our bikes, we have been off-road a few times. This is George, you'll all know him. State of it, absolute dirty bitch. So we've just had some lunch, been out a few times this morning, haven't crashed yet, touch wood. Touch wood, I just did that as well. So we are going to head out again. We're going to do, well, the beginner's loop is literally just like a grass track. You'll have just as much difficulty riding around on this stuff. This is just one of the camping areas, as you'd have probably seen in the last part of the video. So we're not going to bother doing the beginner's track. We are going to do the long loop of the main track, and then I think The next bit's probably going to be maybe some expert sections, see if George is feeling brave enough to join me on some of them. And I'm going to try and Insta360 some of it, depending whether they catch me with it. I don't know whether you're allowed them or not. Ow. Twatting my head on that. Hop on the beast. 13. Look how dirty everything is. And we are turning right up here, which takes you to the start of the adventure trails. They check your stickers on your helmet, and then you're allowed to go on the back. Sorry. There you go. Check your sticker, then you go up here. This is the pits. So the beginner's loop's over there. Really, really easy. And then this is the main loop up here. This is obviously George in front, as you know. And Mickey V's got his brand new Tiger 1200, so he's done the beginner's loop, but he does not want to take it on this just in case. Oh, we missed the rain earlier, which is really good. We got back and everyone went, oh, did you get hit by the rain? We missed it. We got a couple of spots of rain on our helmets, that's it. It's actually so much better now that it's quieter.
Yeah.
This morning was so busy. There were so many bikes out this morning. So they're the expert routes. We got left turns and it says expert only. Come on, GS. There are a million GS's here, as you'd expect. The only adventure bike ever.
Fucking sideways there, bro.
There's a lot of these enduro bikes that are just proper knobbage.
Full on hacking it. Mika hacking it all the way around.
Mika hacking it. Oh, there's a Triumph ride out. Triumph ride out. They do loads of those, all the brands. Ducati, Triumph, Royal Enfield. So the speed limit down here is 30 mile an hour, which I am clearly definitely doing.
When we came down here first thing, about what, 9:30, I kid you not, we were doing about 5 mile an hour and there were 200 bikes in front of us.
Easily, it was just 5 mile an hour and no one was moving because there was just 2 lanes of bikes all the way down. It was so full on.
Thankfully now everyone's discovered the pubs and the bars.
Yeah, the bars, yeah. Right, left up here is the long course. Right down there is a short course.
And there is a massive difference between the two. Anything?
Go. No, you're clear.
Nice. And there the Asbo goes.
Off-road suspension on this just makes a huge difference. Oh, I can hear my bike just getting tattooed by stones. Having a quick shifter right now is so good. Can't see a thing.
I can see you disappearing.
I cannot see a thing. Oh, the bike is just handling this so well.
It's so nice to actually finally be able to use my bike off-road.
Yeah. Wasn't there a really deep bit up here? Am I right in thinking that?
I can't really remember.
Swap over to the left side just in case, because I'm sure it was on the right.
Alright, just watch your Insta.
Whoa, nearly hits the back end there. Oh, look at this! I love this so much! Now to rebit. The thing that is quite nice is there's plenty of places to pull over if you need to. So you'll go along here. Jump. The long course is slightly different. The short course is easy, and like most people can do it. You can bimble along at sort of 10 mile an hour, 5 mile an hour if you want to, and it's absolutely fine. God, this rut's got bigger today. Oh my god! Got some air! Yes, boy!
Oh man, that's so cool.
Right, go on the right, so we're going to give her some space. Which way did we turn, George? Right. Yeah.
Right,
wasn't it? Can't see it in the thing. Oh, plonk. And we're back down here. Left turn. Into the Woodland section.
All you're going to hear on my mic is just heavy breathing.
Yeah. Where was the deep sand bit? That was on this, wasn't it? You need to have caught up by then, because if you're going to bin it, I want to see it on camera.
It's not easy.
It's not. I mean, the easy and the medium section is way, like the short loop is way easier. Like way. Oh, I've got a scratch on my lens. Got a scratch on my lens. That, ladies and gents, is what we get. All we have lens protectors for. On this one.
That is going to flop around so bad.
Yep. Yeah. Insta360 is banging around everywhere. That is some nice air in the jacket. This is the next part of the easy loop, which is not that easy. Oh, okay. The expert section's literally just across there. This is the sand section, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, I'm not gonna lie. They can go into the ruts. The sandy ruts. No thanks. Lean back, lean back. Next sand bit. Lean back.
This is what these bikes, this is what these bikes are built to do.
You and swearing, you're built to never make it to YouTube. Oh, my camera's just moved. Once you've done the left loop, which is the long loop up there to the left, as left loop suggests, you go back round to the right, which is where you would do the short loop. Oh, there's an instructor. We've got another ride out in front of us, Tenere ride out. Get on this bit of the grass. I'm going to pull over on the right here, on the left, sorry. Let these guys go, because I want a clear path. I'm really happy that I got those lens protectors for my Insta360.
100%, mate.
They were like £7 and they have definitely done their worth. Right. So this is the next section, which was part of the easy loop. Oh, I love jumping this bike so much. This is a bit of a sketchy one, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't like all the dust on the outside.
Right, should we do this expert loop? This expert loop at the end is really simple. It's literally just a hill climbing back down over there. So we're going to go and do that.
I'm hoping I've got that.
Oh, my camera's moved around again. Then we go straight over the road. Oh, what's happened here? Have they shut the... Oh, they shut it over there. So normally, which we'll do in a bit, you go up this bit, and there's like a nice little woodland section all the way up the top, which is slightly different as well.
Yeah, it's got a nice, literally just over there, you might not be able to see it, the hay bales. Wicked little chicane and a couple of jumps.
And there we have Ragley Hall itself. Joust someone with my camera. And then you can also ride down here if you're parked or you're camping far away, and you can just park your bike on the side here, have a wander around. You got your Aprilia, Honda, quick as fucky, Yamaha again. I probably said this all earlier in the video, but I'll do it again just in case. Royal Enfield, Benelli, like everything. And then you got all the tents over there where you can do all the talks. Alright, let's go and see if we can find Pete English and make sure he's alright. He had a bit of an off earlier. Hey up! Is Pete alright?
Yeah, he's a bit worse for wear, but I've not seen him since.
This is Mark from Leeds, everyone.
Yo, hello.
the only Mark from Leeds.
Make sure you subscribe to this guy, Sam Vincent. Sam
yeah,
Vincent.
he knows, he knows.
Yeah.
He's a better wingman than you are.
Subscribe to George as well.
Yeah.
You like the Ant and Deck of motovlogging world?
Ant and Deck of the motorbike world. Oh. Yeah, one of us is really short.
That's why I once told him.
It's alright, you can be the one with a mental breakdown.
I'm halfway there already. Just need to dye my hair black and I'm there.
Look at the state of the switchgear. This is going to need a jet wash. Oh. Right everyone, I will chat to you in a bit. We're going to go out on another ride in a minute and I'll bring you along. Bye! Right everyone, we are going for a ride with Mark from Leeds, George and Mark from Leeds, mate. Oh my god, there's so many bikes. Come on, go, 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 go. It's a proper dusty one. I'm loving this weekend everyone, absolutely loving it. Yes. Mark from Leeds, everyone.
Oh yeah! I'm staying on your right hand side as well.
Yeah.
I want my own personal video, you see.
That's gonna cost you. This is probably my worst corner. This one here, it's just so inconspicuous, yet it's all dirty, like gravelly crap with sand under the surface. Really throws you. 80 miles of range left. It's not bad considering I've been ragging the absolute pants on this all weekend. I'm not filling it up though because it was stupid money to fill up. Like $2.12 a litre or something stupid. Go on, girl. Yes, baby girl. God, the stones on here. They're so rough. Oh, this is knackering. Proper workout this. I'm almost burning off my breakfast, which was a complete gutbuster. It was like 2 eggs, 2 sausage, 2 bacon, 2 hash browns, 2 black pudding, all in a bap. Ultimate cardio this. That's what it's making up for. I have to give Mark from Leeds his due. He is keeping up with me on a bike that's got 20 horsepower. I've got 140 more horsepower and I'm not getting away from him, so good on you, mate. Fair play. I mean, I know I'm not absolute gunning the crap out of it, but yeah, you're sticking with me. And I'm not exactly some like pro, but you know, Oh, Jesus. Look at this shit. Camera's still on. I've got a bit of a leaf on it. I'm not going to overtake this guy because there is a deep bit around the corner. Oh, Mark from Leeds is getting his own shot. Yes, please. Oh, sand again. Ugh. Go on, go, 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 go. Sand absolutely cacks me up because you have no idea when it's going to bite and when it's not. Oh, this is such a good weekend. I am loving this so much. Yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh! Crash on cam. I mean, that doesn't look like it's damaged that much. Jesus. Peak. Yeah, buddy! Oh my god, I love bikes so much! Oh my god, this is awesome! Look at the dust getting kicked up. It definitely needs a bit of a rain just to settle some of the dust. It's not too bad though. I've got, I don't know if I showed you earlier, but I've got new climb goggles and they have made a huge difference. A little bit dodgy around this corner. Oh yes, I hate this. This corner's also a bit shit. It's all sand. Ooh, went wrong. Really messed that one up. Genuinely, Mark from Leeds, if you're what, you will be watching this because I know you will be. I am well impressed with you, mate. I'm riding like a proper knobhead, and you are right behind me. Oh my god, I love bikes so much. If you're still watching this, it's just me panting into the microphone and talking about how good Mark from Leeds is at keeping up with me. Good on you. Here he is. Right, hopefully this bit's open again. Right, there we go. This is the bit I couldn't show you earlier because I had it shut for some reason. Right, so you come down here, got a lovely lefty, get hit in the head by a branch, a little bit of a rut going on. Come around here, you got a chicane which is beautiful. You just like lean the bike in, look, ready? Hey, nearly fucked that one up. then you can just come back round here, and that just takes you back up to the main bit. Oh my god, my bike's getting so much air. I'm taking off. This is brilliant. And you've got the Triumph area for, I think they do slow speed handling and stuff here. And they've got the Polaris like ATV stuff over the back, which is really cool. Alright, let's see if we can get past up this hill. Which side are you going, bro? There we go, up the hill. And we go right all the way down here, which takes us back into the back of the paddocks. This is where all the music is. What an absolutely sublime track. That's not even the experts. Oh, I'm so impressed. Mark from Leeds, you absolute legend. What a corker of a day. Well, weekend this has turned to be. Well done, mate. I was proper being a dick.
I would have kept up to you on the GS.
Yeah?
Kept up to you on the GS.
You did really well. Mate, I'm well surprised, mate.
You need a fucking asball for that. Oh, I've done a bit of motocross before.
I still can't get over you keeping up with me so easily.
I am Matt from Leeds. We'll wait at the end for you as well. We just got called by a back after. We're going through the forest.
Oh, you come off?
Took my screen out, yeah.
Oh, mate. Right, let me go dump this off and I'll get a drink and I'll come back.
Yeah. Oh,
right, ladies and gents, I'm on an expert section. This guy's just buried himself in the mud. I have no option but to do this crossing, I don't think. I think I might bottom out my bike, that's the only problem. Oh, police just went over. Fuck it, we're doing it. I'm stuck. I'm bottoming out. I'm deep in mud. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to get out of this. The bike is standing up without me on it. Going back into the water, that's probably not a good idea. I'm fucked. I'm absolutely knackered. Digging myself a hole. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Right. I'm in the water. Yeah, boy! I'm out! Yeah, boy! Yes! I'm knackered! Fucking hell! Oh, fuck. Oh, my goggles have just gone flying. My boots are steaming. Shit the bed. Yeah, the bog's probably not a good idea, if I'm honest. There was no way round either. Oh! Scared? Got it? You got it? Yeah. Okay. You hear me, but nothing major. Oh, shit the bed. F me. Oh. Well, at least I know now which one the deep section is. Oh my god, people. Oh. I need a drink. Oh, we're done, ladies and gents. I did realise that I haven't actually brought anyone along to any talks. Look how much stuff is in here, it's absolutely stacked. I didn't actually bring any of you lot along to any of the talks, but they were quite interesting. But if you're gonna want to see those, then you're gonna have to come back next year, aren't you? We are packed up. Just gonna fill that water bottle up because I am absolutely patched, mate. Can you tell which parts of the bike did go on the trail and which parts of the bike didn't go on the trail? These are lovely and clean, and the bike's a complete mess. Also, look at these, I don't know if you guys can see, got a lovely sharp edge on this side, and the one where I've been going stupid on it has just been absolutely decimated. There's all gouges out of it and everything. Oh look, I've got an entire field up behind me. Oh, what an absolute incredible weekend. Look, it's all emptied out now as well. Everyone's buggered off. There was a jet wash for all the bikes, but there were so many people there, so I'm just going to clean it when I get home. Thank you very much to everyone that has joined me watching this video. Thank you also to everyone that has come and said hello to me at the show. Still a little bit odd to me, the concept of people recognising me in public. It's just a little bit of an odd experience. I'm still not used to it. People coming up and be like, oh, you're that Sam bloke from YouTube, or you're the bloke with the KTM. I'm like, yes, that's me. The bike is absolutely caked. We haven't left anything, have we? No, the bike is absolutely caked. Look at this. Got a bloody field in my but yeah, let's go and get some water, rehydrate myself, and then head home. Where's me handle? There it is. Don't sink, please don't sink, please don't sink, please don't sink. Oh, I have been thoroughly impressed with this weekend. If anyone from ABR, the Adventure Bike Riders, organisers or anything are here, kudos. It has been really, really good. There's plenty of space. Every now and again you get told to slow down if you're riding like me, but that's it. It's not overdone on the security. All the ride, Dad got out on one of the Himalayan ride outs, which I think he really enjoyed. Talking of ride outs, here's the new Desert X's. That's the V4S. Desert X's. They're really nice, aren't they? I kind of wanted to go on one of those, but I think if you're gonna get on one of the ride outs, they don't let you book ahead of time. You have to go down in the morning, and they're busy. So you, like, Dad got down there the other day at like 8:30 or whatever it was, and it was all booked out. He got down this morning at what, 7:45 or something like that, and he was one of the first in the ride outs. But yeah, these toilet blocks, these are the big toilet blocks and the shower blocks. They're really good. All the stalls are really good. Thoroughly recommend coming. And here's George emptying the massive water containers. Oh, thank you very much for joining me, everyone, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, George. Hot. But yeah, we're all very sunburned. We're very sunburned, but you know, it's been lovely. It's been like this all weekend. Very good. Right, goodbye everyone. I'll see you in next week's video.